Here I have MEIZU 15 and let me show you how to record screen on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here we need to open the upper bar twice, and here let's choose screen recorder. That's it. Here you can just tap start and you can record your screen. Let me tap end. Let me show you again. Let's use the notification panel, tap screen recording. Here you can also use it with your microphone or without it. Tap start and just recording your screen. Tap end. And you can find your recording right here, or you can choose videos. And from videos you can choose movies, screen records, and you can play your recording. Alright, so that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.